Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 5. How are you all? Hope you will be fine and enjoying good health in these days. In the previous lecture we have discussed predecessors and successors. In this video we will learn about the missing numbers. How to find the missing numbers. Today our topic is finding the missing numbers. Here we have 20,989,666. And on the other side, if we see that there is 989,666, we will find out the number that we will add in 989,666 to make this mathematical sentence true. Which operation we will apply? Addition or subtraction? Can you tell me? Let me tell you. To make a correct mathematical sentence, we will subtract smallest value from the greatest value. We will draw the chart of 8 numbers. Unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, millions and 10 millions. And we will place the greatest number here. And we will subtract smallest value. We will use this sign to show subtraction. First of all, we will subtract the units. Here we can see that there are 6 units and we have to subtract 6 units out of 6 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We have to subtract 6 units from them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here we are left with 0 units. If we take away 6 units out of 6 units, we have 0 units left. It means we can say that if we subtract the same number, we get 0. After the subtraction of units, we will move towards the 10. Here we can see that we have to subtract 6 units out of 6 units. It means we have 0 left. After this subtraction of tens, we will move towards the subtraction of hundreds. In the hundreds column, we can see that we also have to subtract 6 units out of 6 units. It means we have 0 left here. After this subtraction of hundreds, we will move towards the subtraction of thousands. And we have to subtract 9,000 out of 9,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. We have to subtract 9 units out of 9 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. We are left with 0. If we subtract 9 thousands from 9,000, we are left with 0 thousands. Now we will move towards the next column, that is 10,000. We will subtract 8,000 from 8,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We have to subtract 8 10,000s from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We are left with 0. If we subtract 8 from 8, we get 0. Now we will move towards the 100,000s. Here we can see that there are 900,000s and we have to subtract 900,000s out of 900,000s. As I told you, if we subtract the same number, we are left with 0. Now we will subtract the millions. In millions, if we see that there is only 0. In the second number, there is nothing. We have to subtract nothing from 0. We will write this number as it is. After the subtraction of millions, we will move towards the 10 millions. There is only 2 10 millions in the first number and there is nothing to subtract here. So we will write 2 as it is. To make this mathematical sentence true, we will add 20 million here and we will get the equal number on both sides. Here we have the number 60,560,566. On the other side, we have 61,660,556. What we will subtract from this number to make this sentence true? To make a correct mathematical sentence, we will subtract smallest value from the greatest value. Here a chart has been shown and we will subtract the smallest value from the greatest value. First of all, we will subtract the units. In the units, we have to subtract 6 units from 6 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We will subtract 6 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And we are left with 0. If we subtract 6 units out of 6 units, we get 0. We will write 0 in the units column. Then we will move towards the tens. We have to subtract 5 tens out of 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to subtract 5 tens out of 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Can you tell me how many tens are left? 0 tens are left. It means if we subtract 5 tens out of 5 tens, we get 0. Here we can see that we have to subtract 5 hundreds out of 5 hundreds. It means we are left with 0 here. Now we will move towards the thousands. From 0, if we subtract 0, we get 0. If we subtract 6 10,000s from 6 10,000s, we are left with 0. Now we will subtract 100,000s. And in 100,000 we can see that we have to subtract 500,000s from 600,000s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From 6 we have to subtract 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we are left with only 1. So we have 100,000. Now we will move towards the millions. In millions, we have to subtract 0 from 1. From 1, if we subtract nothing, 0 means no quantity. We are left with only 1. It means we have 1 million here. Now we will move towards the 10 millions. And we have to subtract 6 10 millions out of 6 10 millions. We are left with 0. Now we are left with 1,100,000. In this number, if we subtract 1,100,000, we will get the same number on both the sides. So 1,100,000 will be subtracted from 61,660,556 and it will make the mathematical sentence correct. In this video we have discussed how to find out the missing numbers to make a correct mathematical sentence. In the next video we will learn how to find out the missing digits to make addition and subtraction true. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.